In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stacks for dynamic layouts in Adobe XD. By the end, you'll know how to quickly organize elements like rows of buttons or lists of cards and keep their spacing flexible and consistent as your design evolves. Start by selecting the elements you want to organize. Think of items that belong together visually, like a set of buttons, a group of tags, or a series of cards. With those elements selected, group them so they behave as a single unit. Grouping is important here because stacks work at the group level, and it keeps everything tidy as you adjust layout later. With the group selected, head over to the Property Inspector on the right side of the interface. Make sure Responsive Resize is turned on. Stacks rely on responsive resize, so this needs to be enabled first. Responsive resize helps XD understand how items should react when the group changes size, which is exactly what you want for a dynamic layout. Next, check the Stacks box. As soon as you do, XD will automatically detect whether your items are arranged vertically or horizontally. If it guesses wrong, you can switch the direction to vertical or horizontal manually. This direction tells XD how to treat the flow of the elements and where the gaps should be managed. Now for spacing control. Hover your cursor between items in the stack and you'll see a pink spacing highlight appear. That highlight shows the gap XD is tracking. Click and drag in that highlighted area to increase or decrease the space between those elements. This is a fast, intuitive way to fine-tune the gaps as your design changes. If you want to adjust spacing more globally, select the whole stack and press S to enter spacing edit mode. You'll see the pink highlights appear between items, and you can drag to refine those gaps directly. When you need all the gaps to change evenly, press Shift+S. This keeps all the spaces consistent as you adjust them, which is perfect for clean, balanced layouts. That's it. Group your elements, enable responsive resize, turn on stacks, choose the right direction, and use the pink spacing highlights to adjust visually. Press S for targeted spacing edits and Shift+S when you want every gap to move together. With these tools, your layouts stay flexible, tidy, and easy to update as your project grows.